2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, cloth seat trim. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.